Good morning, friends. In the previous topic, you studied very three basic topics: monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, trihybrid cross. Monohybrid cross was by the characters of height and tall and dwarf plant, and you got ratio 1:1 phenotypic ratio. Then in dihybrid cross, you took two characters, round yellow and wrinkled green seeds, as denoted by Mendel. The ratio was 9:3:1. Then you took the polygene inheritance, the case of skin color, black, Negro husband and white mother, and the ratio was, there were 64 recombinations, 64, 8 into 8, 64 recombinations, and the ratio was 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6 and 1. And now going the other topic. You revise these, we will take a test. What is the importance of the Mendel in the genetics? And the laws of Mendel are applicable on plants and animals and on human also. Laws of Mendel helped in improvement of the plant species, secondly improvement of the animal species, and improvement of the human race, and disputed parentship and genetic counseling. Genetic counseling, the parents which do not have the children, they get the consultation of the doctor. That is called the genetic counseling. And Mendel was very successful in his practical experiments because he made the record of every cross, written record, and he used many traits for his experiments. And Mendel explained every experiment in the journal, in the magazines, in the newspapers at that time. But during lifetime of the Mendel, that was neglected. Nobody noticed the laws of Mendel. Nobody noticed the theories of Mendel. But after the death of the Mendel, the other scientists, when they got the same result and they recognized the Mendel and they remembered the Mendel, and they explained the Mendel. Now, next topic of today is very interesting. That is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance means when Mendel crossed, your scientist crossed the red flower and white flower of Mirabilis jalapa. The first generation was not having dominant character, that was having intermediate character. The first generation was having pink flowers. The first generation was having pink flowers. Neither red nor red. Blending inheritance, incomplete inheritance, blended inheritance, blending of characters. And the checkerboard and writing the method is same as the parent red, white and pink. And F2 generation was 25% red, 50% pink and 25% white. No dominant characters. So similar second example of codominance is Andalusian fowl. Black fowl is mixed with white fowl, and F1 generation is not black or white, it was blue. Intermediate characters. That is called incomplete dominance. The dominant character is absent. Second, codominance. And next topic is codominance in your book. Codominance means the two dominant characters, don't dominate each other, they show itself. Both the characters are shown. Example is very good of blood group AB. A is a dominant character, B is a dominant gene. Both are shown. The blood group is AB. That is called codominance. And next is multiple alleles. Multiple alleles means blood group. Example is blood group. Blood group has many alleles of the same locus, of the same chromosome. A blood group has same on same chromosome, same locus. One character has many genes. Or blood group has three alleles. 4 blood group A, blood group B, AB and O. A blood group has A antigen, B blood group has B antigen, AB blood group has both the antigens, and O blood group has no antigen. Secondly, O is the universal donor and AB is universal recipient. And A can get blood A, B can get that blood B, and O can be given to everybody. So these are due to presence or absence of some antigen. And the reason of the blood group is the determination of the blood group by parent. As male and female, father has A blood group and mother has B blood group, the children will have 4 possibilities of A blood group, AB blood group, A or O. Checkerboard can be made. Checkerboard can be made by the blood group of the children. I have made it for you. So father is B, mother is A, and there are 4 types of blood of the children. So this is all about today's topic. You study at home multiple alleles, that is blood group. Codominance, AB blood group. Incomplete dominance, pink flower by Mirabilis Jalapa. You study at home, see you tomorrow.